Imagine a world where your garden, that little piece of paradise, is never again overrun by unwanted branches and green waste piling up, creating a less idyllic view of your haven of peace. Starting today, this dream can become a reality thanks to an essential ally, the Gardebruk Silent Branch Shredder with 3100 watts. It's not just a simple tool, it's the promise of a clean garden, maintained with ease and tranquility. If you are interested, feel free to click the link in the description now to learn more about its unique features, see hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers, and order yours today. This product is ideal for amateur or experienced gardeners who want to keep their garden clean and promote composting, always seeking a practical, efficient, and neighbor-friendly solution thanks to its silent operation. Imagine that you could transform those mountainous branches after tree trimming, not into a problem, but into a rewarding solution for your garden. This is exactly what the Gardebruk Shredder offers. Equipped with an impressive 3100-watt electric motor, it is designed to reduce small branches and shrubs up to 45 mm in diameter. But where it truly excels is in its ability to perform this task while remaining remarkably silent, allowing you to work in your garden without causing any noise disturbances to yourself or your neighbors. This shredder is a true asset for any gardener looking to keep their outdoor space in perfect condition. Thanks to its wheels and its light weight of only 20 kilo, moving it from one end of the garden to the other is a breeze, saving your back from any unnecessary strain. Furthermore, the large 60-liter collection bin proves to be extremely practical, collecting waste without you having to worry about cleaning up afterwards. And guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description and see hundreds of reviews from extremely satisfied customers. The secret of its effectiveness lies in its steel roller, which has a slow speed of 60 revolutions per minute, that not only cuts but also crushes green waste with precision. This process creates an optimal surface for compost microorganisms, transforming your garden waste into black gold for your garden beds and vegetable patches. Beyond its primary function, the Gardebruk Garden Shredder is a marvel of safety. Equipped with a pusher for secure filling, a locking device, and a safety switch to prevent accidental restarts, as well as overload protection, every aspect has been designed to ensure worry-free use. So, don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to order it now at the best price and revolutionize your daily life. With a TUV Kudjas certification attesting to its safety and quality, this shredder is not just another gardening tool, it represents a true revolution in maintaining your green space, allowing you to recycle, reduce, and revitalize your garden with unmatched efficiency and peace of mind. Now let's recap its advantages as well as its disadvantages. Advantage number 1, silent. Allows for grinding work without significant noise disturbance. Advantage number 2, powerful. Thanks to its 3100W motor, it efficiently shreds branches up to 45 mm in diameter. Advantage number 3, mobile and lightweight. Weighing only 20 kilos and featuring integrated wheels, it is easy to move. Advantage number 4, large collection bin. A 60L bin reduces the frequency of emptying. Advantage number 5, safety. Equipped with multiple safety features, including a safety switch and overload protection. Advantage number 6, eco-friendly. It transforms garden waste into useful composting material. Now let's move on to a few disadvantages. Disadvantage number 1, limitation on the diameter of branches. It may not be suitable for branches larger than 45 mm in diameter. Ultimately, what the Gardebruk Silent Branch Shredder with 3100W offers you is more than just the ability to manage garden waste. It is an invitation to rethink the way you care for your outdoor space by transforming chores into opportunities to nourish and beautify your personal area. So, if you are ready to make your garden an example of cleanliness and sustainability, click on the link in the description to order the Gardebruk Silent Branch Shredder at the best price. Discover for yourself why hundreds of customers have already chosen to trust this revolutionary tool to take care of their garden. Don't miss this opportunity to simplify your gardening while contributing to the health of your environment. With that, I thank you for your attention and hope to see you very soon.